Welcome to ChatGPT. Do you struggle with writer's block or coming up with new ideas for your writing? Well, have you heard of ChatGPT prompts for writing? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model that can provide writing prompts. It generates prompts based on different categories like horror, romance, and more. To use ChatGPT prompts, simply visit the website and select a category that suits your needs. You can also customize your prompt by entering specific keywords. These prompts are designed to inspire and jumpstart your writing process. They can help you brainstorm new ideas and increase your creativity. Some examples of prompts include: write about a time you overcame a fear, or describe a character's journey to find themselves. ChatGPT prompts are a useful tool for writers of all levels and backgrounds. They can help you improve your writing skills and push yourself out of your comfort zone. You can use these prompts for a variety of writing projects, from short stories to novels. With its user-friendly interface and endless options, ChatGPT is an excellent resource for any writer. And the best part? It's completely free to use. So why not give it a try and see how ChatGPT prompts for writing can improve your writing today?
Hey, this is Chaplain North. Thanks again for watching the video. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click the link below this video, and we'll have some more videos for you that you can watch that will teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.